Eco-Tours. It is in Punta Gorda, Florida. We have birds, we have gators. It is a nature tour. You take on a bus to go to the swamp.
What's over there, Dan? Anything? A lot of water.
A lot of water this way. As you can see, we're on a bus in the swamp.
This little blue is so pretty. So you look at these alligators, if you want to guess how big they are, you look from their nose to their eyebrow. For every inch, guesstimate a foot.
It's a very high nature tour. It is 90-minute long guided tour, about $25 a person. We have seen, as you see, alligators, you see birds, you see deer, pigs, cracker cattle, horses. This is just to see the main part of it, like going through the swamp, bus tour.
So it was a train track. It's a trestle. Yep. So the train was brought in for the logging.
The water.
Oh, there's a little baby alligator coming up right here at the edge of the grass. There he is.
Look, mine's doing, Jason. Look at
There, he's moving, he's moving.
He's swimming.
He's swimming. There, he went into the water and he swam away. Oh, there he is.
So that train trestle, they built
So,
the train out
very
here,
cool
and then
nature
they
tour,
built spurs
narrated.
out to where they were
If you like my
actually
videos, make sure to subscribe. Here's another fun place
They had
to
a
visit
quota,
in Florida.
3 trainloads a week of big logs, sent it up to Punta Gorda, to the lumber mill, processed it. Another tricolor heron tucked in there. And then they would send it to Tampa, where it was put on ships and sent to South Africa. Oh, I see some pigs.
More pigs.
Oh my God, you guys hear that?
Here they come. Pigs. Coming running pigs. They're coming to the bus.
Do you
Here they come.
think they just want to see us?
Wow, here they come. Oh, they're all here. They're like right here.
Like 20 little babies.
So funny. So the big mammal, they'll ended up taking so long. My speakers are
If you like animals, definitely come on this tour.
Oh, they're eating corn that we threw out here. But Rip Fest. I see 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 racks of ribs.
You want to go over there and see the pigs?
Yeah, right.